Hi there, welcome back to the Django REST Framework tutorial. Now in this lecture, I will talk about custom serializer field. So right now in our model, we have defined first name, experience and skill. So these fields are already mentioned and that field that we can use in our web browser. But suppose with this field, maybe I need to calculate something and I need to show them in the browser. So that means when usually this happen when we talk about rating, when we need to calculate the length. So first let's say I run the project and show the output. So I'll go back to the browser. So these are the details of the coder. ID, first name, experience and skill. Suppose I want to calculate the length of this first name and I want to display over here. In that case, we can use a custom serializer field. So we'll go back to the coding and show you the practical implementation of custom serializer field. So I'll go back to the serializer and here I will write, let's say length of our names is equal to serializer dot serializer method field, serializer dot serializer method field. So inside the class, now we can write a method that will take get an actual out field name. So this is my field name, get length of our names, and here under the class we are using self and object. So I need to calculate length of our first name. So here I write L is equal to, I want a length of, let's say, object dot first underscore name is a variable. Now we are going to return the length of our first name. So this sort of modification is required. So we'll go back to the browser and we'll verify the output. So I just refresh this window. So you can find length of this first name has been displayed properly 7. Length of the first name is ABC 3 and so on. So all the length of the users has been displayed over here. This custom serializable field we can use when we want to display certain things, like we want to display the date difference or we want to display the rating of our application. In that application, we can use this custom serializer. Hope you understand that how to use a custom serializable field in the Django project. Thanks for watching this video.